Hey, hi everyone. I just want to make a short video of this exercise bike from pooboo. So I got this one a few days ago from Amazon. So you can hear it has no sound when I'm pedaling. This is the really good thing because I have small kids and I can do exercise when they're sleeping. And this one is also a space saver. It's not a big, you see. And this one is also foldable and you can easy to carry to different rooms. And I put this bike against my TV so I can watch my favorite TV show or I can listen my favorite songs when I'm exercising. This is a really good choice for me. So I think you guys like this one and I highly recommend this bike especially for mothers or especially for who can't go to the gym. Okay. Thank you. Bye guys.
This pooboo bike is a really quick and easy way to get your exercise. It's a very ergonomic bike and it has a good form factor. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I use it every day. And if you want to change the resistance setting, you can turn this wheel. So right now I have it on setting number 4 and I can turn it right all the way from setting 1 to setting 8, and as I turn it, the resistance becomes greater and it becomes harder to pedal. On carpet, the bike is very stable. It's a very well built bike. And then here on the display, you can see all the different metrics such as your speed, the amount of time you've been biking, the distance, the calories, etc. And that's powered by 2 AAA batteries. It's really nice feature is that if you stop biking, the display automatically turns off, and then when you start biking, it'll turn on again. So I really like the bike, and it gives me a good workout, especially if I want to bike at night, or I'm planning to use this in the winter time when it's raining outside.
¿Sí? ¿Tú puedes ejercicio así? No necesitas salir. Tú cansas así. Te cansas tus piernas.
你举一下后面的东西 ，Jaden。Yes。
是我要看游戏。看游戏。
So I purchased this great product here. So this is an exercise bike. It comes with 2 dumbbells and it comes with pull-up ropes. And we have here the control set. To turn it on, you press it once and you can pick between it by pressing on each one. And if you hold it, it turns off and it occupies very little space. This is how small it is. And you can fold it up once you're done with it.